Hi there. Well, first ore train of 2024 on the Challenger, MTH Challenger, 3977. So I got a 60-foot track set up in my basement here. That's the program that MTH runs as their engine is just sitting there waiting.
Swing that spout over.
Pretty cool.
Okay, that'll do.
Thank you. So you can sit here all day, listen to that recording over and over, but it's time to get the ore train on the move. So here we go. I don't have a reverse loop, so we'll travel all the way to the end and then we'll back it back. I think we'll follow it down the rails a bit. We'll catch it as it's coming into the other end here. We'll follow it back. That's one of my cabooses I take away when we have our operations over at Fred's. Large-scale operations. it's on AC today. This engine likes AC a lot better than it does DC.
We're ready. Tell them to close that up.
Got quite the speaker in this. 4 ohms. 24 volt, 4 ohms. Nice engine. Here we go again. We'll try it. There we go. There it goes, down the line. Down the line. Push the button and it comes to a halt down there. Push the button and it'll come back. There's a top that comes off. Reveal the smokestacks underneath. I don't have this. That's what's right down the smokestack. That's where the smoke goes. There's the smokestack going on the first part.
Go ahead and get ready to pull out.
There we go. And then they have that cap for it. Anyway, one more trip down the road. We'll give it some gas. Off the train goes into the distance. Let's slow it down a little bit. Push the reverse button. That's quite the whistle, eh? Wow. Anyway, I hope you like looking at my...
The airman has given us the signal that the air is okay.
He's talking to us again. That'll go on for about 6 minutes. Pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching my video today. Take care. Bye now.